Hey guys, Jared with Control Pair Munitions with another product review video. Alright guys, like I was just saying, I'm out doing another product review video. You might notice it's a little different out. Usually I go out in the sunlight. I feel kind of vampire-ish, and I want to check out some Predator technology. So I came out with this new thermal that I acquired to test for the shop. It is the ATN OTIS XLT 160 25x10 10x, which you would think would be magnification, but it's not. We're gonna get into that. So, real quick disclaimer: this is not sponsored by anything. I'm bored. You know, I just want to go do videos for you guys. So, I'm shooting Ammo Inc. ammo. Any ammo guy want to send ammo my way to shoot, I'll shoot it. ATN, you want me to do some more videos for you? I'll come out. It's freezing, but I'm out here. Any other guys I'm gonna be shooting tonight? Cool. Brain's gonna be a little numb because it's 40 degrees and it was 90 the other day, and I'm not used to it. So anyway, let's get right into what this thing comes with. So right off the bat, we're gonna open up the box and we're going to see that there's gonna be some foam covering stuff, and after that you're gonna find an owner's manual. So the owner's manual actually covers that it doesn't go up to 10 times, which was a good idea, good thing to know after the fact. But unfortunately, I didn't know that until after I bought it. Calling ATN up, they're saying, yeah, it's 4 times, blah, blah, blah. Like, oh yeah, well, I read that in the owner's manual. So from here, you're going to find the product in a little bag. Underneath that, you're going to find a little chamois. Inside the bag is going to be your thermal unit. It also has these little boxes where you're going to have a USB-C cable, which is pretty cool. It comes with its own. I have played with this several times before, so it is pretty cool. And see if I can get this all on camera here. Boom. So there it is, the ATN OTIS XLT. So I want to say there's 2 models of these. And this particular one has a few modes of thermal. It also records up to, I can't remember how many gigs, and it has up to, again, 4 times the zoom. So I'm going to record a few things. I brought my dog out here so you could actually see thermal differences. I'm going to be shooting suppressed as well. That way you guys could see that. So you guys can see the Forbidden Popsicle do its thing. And so I got 9mm out here, and I got some 5.56 shooting out of a couple suppressed weapons. So here I'm gonna start getting ready to set this thing up, and we'll get back to it. And then that way you guys can see what this thing does and looks like underneath its own power. So here we go. All right, so like I said, that was the ATN OTIS. So I'm going to power it up right now, get it ready, kind of scope around. I'm going to record a little bit on here, and then have you see me there too, maybe cut in and out and while I'm talking. At least that way, you have some audio. So right now, I am in the red heat mode. And it is picking up a lot of stuff, but I mean, it's cold out here, so I'm not really planning on seeing a lot of things unless there's a random rabbit, coyote, mountain lion. Saw a donkey on the way up, but let's see if I could zoom in a little bit, change that. There we go. I think the mode's closest to me. Oh, that's zoom. Ooh, there we go. Change that. So, it's pretty cool out here looking at this stuff. Where's the dog? There's the dog. Change mode. White hot now. Black hot. And fusion. So, I'm going to try to record this so you can see the difference on the dog and then switching between the different modes. This is red hot, white hot, black hot. We just went behind a bush, so we lost them. Dudes! Dudes! Where'd you go, dudes? It's the cool part about bushes. There he is. Black hot. There's a fusion again. And you can zoom in and look, which is pretty cool. Now, we'll go ahead and look at this mountain. See if we see anything up there. Red hot. You see some random hot spots. Probably going to be bushes up here. White hot. We switch to black hot. It's not switching. There we go. So you can't really see anything up there, which is good. But I don't see any mountain lions coming down. It's a good thing. And back to fusion. So, it's pretty cool. I mean, you guys saw the dog, which I gotta find them again. And then, wherever the dog went, you can definitely see the definition of them. I want to see what that thing is, because that's been reflecting back to me. Buddy keeps on barking at it. There you go. You can see it's really clear. One of the things I like the most about this is that the clarity of it. So there we go. Video saved. So this does compete with a flare model, around the same price range. I want to say MSRP on this is right around the $700 mark. It's under $1,000, so which is really cool, and the quality of this thing is really nice. It's a little heavier than the FLIR competitor, and the FLIR that I was looking at videos before getting this particular model was a little grainier than this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy up. I'm gonna shoot a couple guns, so that way you guys can see what this guy sees in thermal with some pew-pews. So stay tuned. All right, so I got the thermal over there somewhere, and it should be looking right at me. I'm saying, I think right here. And this is really hard to do in the dark, by the way, and good times. So I'm gonna shoot the 9mm first, see what it looks like under thermal. It'll be a lot of fun. This is my CZ Scorpion rugged 45 suppressor. ammo incorporated 9mm. Let's let her up. Alright, my headset started calling my car payment place. Had a random. Let's try that again. I didn't know the Axials had that feature. Woo! So you guys know we're shooting at a mountain, okay? By we, I mean me and Buddy. Where'd you go? My shooting dope. So, I'm gonna go walk up to the thermal, and at least that way you guys can see the popsicle. Alright, so here I am walking up to the thermal unit, and now waving the suppressor in front. And I'm in white hot mode, and I'm trying to look through the unit at the same time, seeing the suppressor. We switch into black hot mode right about now. Yay! And you can see the difference between the suppressor and the background, which is pretty cool. Definitely wanted to show you these modes. Now in fusion mode, where you can see the suppressor is a completely different color than the background. Now in the red hot, where the red hot, there it is also different than the background. The hotter it is, the redder it is. And then back into white hot. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm going to be switching to a different suppressor. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So that was kind of cool. Alright, so I just went down, looked at the thermal with the rugged 45 can. Hopefully you guys can see that. Looks pretty cool. So I'm kind of waving it, and I'm probably going to put this while I'm describing it, so you guys can understand, like, what the hell is he doing? So I'm trying to wave it in front and then change modes. That way you guys could see the difference in thermal for the background and the suppressor. So, and hopefully you guys can see the shots while I'm shooting. This is my SIG 5.56 SOCOM RC2 with the some ArmsCore 62 grain, I think. So there we go. And yeah, I don't have to put any lights on, but you know what? Just because we can, I'm gonna do it. Woo, laser. I'm gonna go down range and look at this guy on thermal doing the same thing. Here we go. Alright, so gonna do the same thing with the RC2, where I'm in the white hot mode, and you're gonna see me try to wave it in front. I am trying to go slow, gun's heavy, but it's just a little too close, I think. It is in one zoom, which you can see in the top right corner. Sadly, though, one zoom is pretty far. So into the black hot, you can definitely see a difference. Then you're going into fusion mode, where you could really see the brightness difference between the suppressor and the background. The red hot for sure, and so on. So yeah, hope this is all good stuff for you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Alright, so I just came back down from checking the thermal on the RC2. You're going to see the same thing. So I'm going to try to play it right now while I'm talking so you guys understand it. I'm only a couple, maybe about a foot away from the end of the thermal, so you guys can see the temperature difference between, again, the background and then the suppressor. I'm sure the suppressor's a little warm. And check it, just because if you shoot suppressors, you understand. You're like, I want to grab it right now. It doesn't work that way. But I want to show you guys this because it's really cool. I've had the shot for a little while. I've played with it a little bit. It's my first chance I've actually been out to do this in the dark. And it's really cool. Huh, dude? Yeah, he's so good, huh? Oh, yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is. He's having fun. My desert dog. Yes. Other than that, guys, if you guys have questions, you guys want to see more videos like this, I meant to show you guys my PBS 14s from ATN as well, and I forgot them at the house. So, next time. But yeah, feel free to shoot me messages, email, Instagram, all that fun shit. Don't forget our live podcast on Thursdays, as long as YouTube doesn't kick us off. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be safe, get training, have fun with your stuff. It is getting cold, but you can still enjoy the wilderness. I know I'm going to enjoy these stars for a little while out here because I don't get out much. Aw, dude. He's the reason. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye.